Hello everyone, today we will learn how to repair and access corrupted Word DOCM file. DOCM is a macro-enabled document used by Microsoft Word, introduced in MS Office 2007. The DOCM file is just like Docs file that saves formatted text, images, shapes, charts, and more. Like other Word files, the DOCM file might get corrupted that disallows you to access the file. Then here is the solution Listen for DOCM recovery, which is an ultimate solution to repair your corrupted MS Word DOCM files. Check out its important features. The software performs the batch recovery of Word DOCM file. Possibly recovers every objects from the DOCM file. Gives you the preview of text and image separately. Fully supports the Unicode characters used in the DOCM files. You can freely download the software. Just search on Google Listen for DOCM recovery and click on the first link. Now scroll down the page and press download now button and download the software. Now let's install and run the software. Launch DOCM recovery tool. Here we select single file. Click on next. Now select a recovery mode. Then click on next. Recovery process is going on, wait for its completion. Then, click on Browse button to define a location. Click on Save, wait till saving is completed. Click on Close button to exit from the software. Hope you liked the video was helpful for you. For any query, leave a comment in comment box below. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. For more updates, do subscribe our channel.